Very comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kiss it. Pink girl. Kiss it. Do you like pink?
I don't want to kiss it.
Lucky number 2.
So yeah, we just had honey tea and banana wine. I wasn't too keen on that one though, but the tea was nice.
I like it. Get some to bring home. Stink me. Yeah, this one over here, this is how people they raise the bees to take the honey.
So we've just had some fresh fruit. We're getting back on the boat now, 15 minutes down the river for another stop and we'll have lunch.
So we've just had our lunch and now we're doing a little bike ride on the bikes that the company provide. The Mekong Delta River, it's like right at the back, so this bit where we're riding along now, so this is the locals' homes, just a lot different to what I've seen before.
So at the final stop of the trip, we just come to a pagoda.
which is not far from the boat station by the Mekong Delta. This has been a surprise. Like, this is absolutely beautiful here. I didn't expect to see all this. The whole day has been really good, hasn't it?
Yeah, amazing, brilliant, well organised.
Yeah, very well organised. Yeah, just completely different to anything else that we've done on our travels.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
Good.